Hi and welcome to another SMC Trader video. In this video what I'm going to be showing you some basic customization techniques for using your SMC Trader. Now in this I'm going to be utilizing the current worksheet that we have set up for you, the Trader worksheet. Now for example, we've got up here, we've got CFD tab, we've got a watch list tab, Australian equities, futures, account, info, etc. Now what we can actually do is if we want to move, let's say, the watch list to after Australian equities, all we have to do is click on it and then drag it to after. You can see that they've immediately altered. If we want to move CFDs to after Australian equities, we can do that also. Okay, it's very simple to do, and it's very easy to set up your watch list to be how you want it to be. Now if I click on this CFD tab for a second, you can see how we've got a whole bunch of, I suppose you can call them sub-tabs. We've got Australian CFDs, Euro CFDs, US CFDs. We've also got the chart for the FTSE index. We've also got a chart for the S&P 500 index. And there's an equity market update, and there's also a tab here for the technical analysis section. Okay. Now, if we want to move or alter any of these, all we have to do once again is click on them and then change them. Okay, so it's set up very easily for you to customize your Trader worksheet to be exactly the way that you want it. Now, as you can see, I've got very large text on my Trader worksheet, and it's simply for the creation of these videos. If you wish to change that, let's say when you open up yours, you might find that the actual text is a little bit too small for you. All you need to do is simply just right-click, go down to Settings, okay, and then, for example, you can click on Font. Okay, and you can alter that to be however you want, however large or small that you want it to be, and you can even alter the specific font that it's used. I've just kept mine into Homer. Okay, now some other things, just if you want to right-click again, that you can check out is obviously from here you can access the instrument information. Okay, now this instrument, for example, what we're clicking on right now is BHP. Now when I've done that, what you can see is you can see a chart for BHP. But also what you can see is the information relating to BHP. Now because of the way I've actually configured this video, there's some information on the right that is being cut off, which is not important so much for this video itself, but it's just to give you a bit of an idea. Now if I go back to Australian CFDs, now what else you can do on the settings section is you can choose the columns in which you want added to your Trader worksheet. Okay, so you can have bid yield, the country, the currency, etc., etc. You can also, one that I like to personally have in there is the percentage change throughout the day. So all you have to do is you can just tick that box, okay, and then it will be added to your Trader worksheet. Okay, so there's just some basic customization tools for you to get started with on the SMC Trader platform.